Hi, Tony DeWitt here, Missouri appellate attorney and a guy who likes to make the law make sense on YouTube. I just had eye surgery, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned for that. So, one of the things that the law firm that I work for does is medical negligence work. And one of the things that you hope you never have is a case where your doctor is medically negligent. Well, in 2020, I went in for cataract surgery, and I had my cataract removed, and they put the wrong lens in my left eye. I needed glasses. And ordinarily, you don't have that after cataract surgery. Normally, you're able to see distance perfectly fine. Well, I couldn't do that, and I had to wear glasses. And so I went to see a different doctor, and over the course of the last couple of days, he put a different lens in my left eye, which is why it looks like somebody gave me a shiner in my left eye, which is kind of funny when you consider the Amber Heard versus Johnny Depp trial where there were pictures of bruises. I didn't have any amicacrene to clear this up, so there's that. Anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit about cataract surgery because I know there are people out there who are absolutely terrified to go have this done. Now, I had mine done at a little place called Eye Center South, which is in Dothan, Alabama. My surgeon was a great guy by the name of Dr. Sebastian Heersink. He did a phenomenal job for me. And I'm going back and having my right eye done in 4 to 6 weeks. But cataract surgery is absolutely nothing to be scared of. It is a very simple process. It's one day, you're in and you're out. Basically what happens, they bring you in, they give you a shot, and they knock you out flat cold. I'm sitting there talking to the person 1 second, and the next thing I'm like, where did that person go? They were here just a minute ago. Well, the reason they're not there now is because they gave me that medicine, it put me out, and then they injected me into the eye. So the nurse came in a few minutes later and started tapping on my eye with a needle, and she said, "Can you feel that?" I said, "Yes." So they wound up having to give me a second injection in the eyes, which meant they had to knock me out a second time. So I got 2 naps for the price of 1, which was kind of funny. And then when I went into the surgery suite, they gave me a little bit of Versed to sort of relax me. I laid there, they pulled the old lens out, put the new lens in, did some other things that were very important, essentially cured my glaucoma in the left eye, which is marvelous. And then they slapped the patch on me and sent me out the door. It is, like I said, absolutely nothing to be worried about or concerned about as long as you have a good surgeon. And again, I can recommend Eye Center South. I'm sure there are great doctors all over the country who do this, but I'm especially happy with the ones that I had. So if you have any questions about cataract surgery and you don't feel comfortable talking to your doctor, you can certainly drop them in the comments down below. I'm not a doctor. I'm a lawyer. It's kind of like that thing on Star Trek. Doggone it, Jim, I'm not a starship captain. I'm a doctor. Well, I'm not a doctor, I'm a lawyer, but I'd be happy to answer any of your questions that I feel like I can answer, at least from a non-medical point of view. So, one of the things that I'm doing today is celebrating the fact that I can once again see very well out of my left eye, and that is an altogether wonderful thing. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please go over here and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we release a video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a terrific day.